E-commerce, I can't lie, I forgot how to determine an incidence of a tax. Okay, first remind us, what is an incidence of a tax? The incidence of tax is the distribution of tax paid between consumers and producers. Okay, and can you attempt to describe this diagram to the best of your ability? Okay, an indirect tax causes the supply curve to shift to the left. This is because it increases the producer's cost of production. We find the indirect tax per unit by looking at the vertical distance between the new equilibrium and the old supply curve. We find the total indirect tax paid by multiplying the indirect tax per unit by the new quantity Q2. Okay, you were nearly there. This rectangle is split up into two parts, the top part being the consumer tax and the bottom part being the producer tax. The top part is the consumer tax since producers pass part of the burden onto consumers through higher prices. Therefore, consumer tax per unit times by quantity Q2 is consumer tax. Subsequently, the bottom rectangle is the producer tax, the burden that the producers can't pass on to the consumers and have to pay out of their own pocket.